As you can see here, the wood or our fire has burnt down to red coals. This is perfect for cooking, but we're not going to cook it back there. We're going to shovel out some of the coals, and I'll put it over here. And you make a little pile, and as you can see, those are hot. We have continued the fire over on this side so that we can continue burning the wood in order to get coals to cook with.
Hot.
Come on. There. Okay. Now, essentially, the baking Dutch oven is sitting on its nice little bed of coals. And then we scoop some more coals and we put them on top. And you want more coals on top than you have on the bottom.
We have a question. If the recipe says 350 degrees, how do you know how much coals to put on there to get 350 degrees?
Basically, as I add the coals to the top, this will heat up the oven, and I do it strictly by feel. I will be checking this in about 10 minutes, seeing how the cake is going.